Oh shit. Wait, danke.
F80 M3. She's absolutely beautiful, and look at that white color on that body. Firstly, we got this MHD stage 2, and then also we got a catalyst downpipe for the mods. We got 3-inch mid pipe, and also a CTS intake right here. And yeah, honestly, she pushes. How much does she push?
Like 550 to the wheel.
550 to the wheel. Holy, yeah. So that's David, the owner. He just told me that this pushes around 550 horsepower to the wheel, which is honestly more than enough, and she sounds so good, bro. Oh my gosh, bro, that is insane. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's
Likes to cut loose.
yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Gotta get open. Let's see if I can hit spam. Yeah, you can hear the duration on these. It's just bang bang.
Bang bang.
Yeah. Some people do like two seconds and whatnot. I'm like, come on, bro. Because like the downshifts on this thing is like absolutely mental.
No, it is mental. It is insane.
Get it rolling. Damn. That's it kicking in.
Right. Damn. You know how to handle your cars though.
Yeah.
That's good.
Kinda have to.
Yeah, true. You know it, then you're done, so.